Recording customer refunds one by one in QuickBooks Online can take time, especially when your refund data is already in Excel, CSV, e-commerce returns, payment gateway exports, POS, or another system. Instead of creating each refund receipt manually, SaasAnt Transactions lets you import refund receipt data in bulk, map the fields, review the records before upload, and undo the import if needed. In this video, I'll show you how to import refund receipts into QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt Transactions. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. Next, open the SaasAnt product page using the link in the description. As you go through the page, you can get a quick overview of the product and the different types of data you can import into QuickBooks Online. When you are ready, click Start Free Trial. You will be redirected to the secure QuickBooks login page. If you are already logged in, just choose the QuickBooks company you want to connect with SaasAnt Transactions Online. Now, log in to SaasAnt Transactions and go to Bulk Upload. Here, you'll see different transaction and list types available for import. Select Refund Receipts. Now, import your prepared refund receipt file from your system. Once the file is added, click Continue. Next, SaasAnt will take you to the field mapping screen. Here, map the fields in your file with the matching QuickBooks refund receipt fields. For this example, I'm choosing Simple Mapping. You can also adjust the mapping if needed. Make sure the necessary fields such as customer, refund date, refund account, product or service, and amount are mapped correctly. Once the mapping is done, click Review. Now, you'll see the Review and Upload screen. Here, check the refund receipt data before importing it into QuickBooks Online. You can make quick corrections directly in the grid if needed. Once everything looks correct, click Upload. SaasAnt will now process the file and import the refund receipts into QuickBooks Online. Once the file is imported, click Show Results. Here, you can see the import summary. You can verify the imported refund receipt in QuickBooks simply by clicking the Response ID. SaasAnt will take you to the specific refund receipt record in QuickBooks Online. You can also download the import result for your records. If you imported the wrong file or noticed an error after import, use Undo to roll back the refund receipt data and keep your QuickBooks records clean. That's how you can import refund receipts into QuickBooks Online in bulk using SaasAnt Transactions.